Welcome to Arrive Without Traveling. Today we'll be visiting Featherbed Railroad Bed and Breakfast, located in Upper Lake, California, 75 miles south of Santa Rosa, featuring 9 themed original cabooses and much, much more. Let's take a closer look. Well, look here. There's a small park adjoining all the cabooses, which features picnic tables, barbecues, and ample space for guests and their furry friends. Short walk across the road lies Upper Lake with beautiful views and a tranquil atmosphere. It can be accessed through Featherbed's private pier. Let's take a walk. Ah, smell that fresh air. I'll leave you with the relaxing sounds of Upper Lake. We stayed in the Casablanca-themed caboose, based on Humphrey Bogart's 1942 classic. Who needs Morocco when you have Upper Lake? Now let's take a trip to Rick's Cafe. The room has all the necessary items for a comfortable stay: fridge, minibar, coffee machine, TV, and a comfortable queen-size bed. On this mattress, we'll sure sleep good tonight. Those who watch the film will be surprised to see how beautifully detailed and well thought the decorating was, starting with the piano, neon sign, and even the famous quote from Bogey on the Mirror. And how about that jacuzzi? Don't mind if I do. Smell that wonderful breakfast. The dining area is very cozy with a home cooking feel. They even offered options based on your dietary needs. The pool area was very good size and had several floats, noodles, and water guns. Hey, wait for me! Last one in's a rotten egg. Overall, the B&B is a great place to relax in a quiet location far away from the hustle and bustle of city life, and a truly unique experience to stay on these beautiful cabooses. If you don't stay at the Featherbed Railroad, you'll regret it. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon and for the rest of your life.